The length of each edge of a box is 29 inches. Each side of the box is in the shape of a square. The box does not have a lid. What is the exterior surface area in square inches of this box without a lid? Okay, first let me draw the box. Here I have drawn the box. Since each side of the box is in the shape of a square, it is a cube. And for a cube, we have 6 faces. But the question says that the box does not have a lid. There is a open over here. So the base at the top is not there. Then we have 5 faces for this box. And each face is a square. Now to get the exterior surface area of this box, we have to add the areas of all 5 faces, where each face is a square with side length of 29 inches. Okay, now let's get the area of one face or one side of the box. For that we have to multiply the length of the side by itself, that is 29 times 29, which is equal to 841. Okay, here I got the area of one face of this cube, that is 841 square inches. Okay, now to get the exterior surface area of this cube, of this box, what we need to do is we have to multiply the area of one face by 5. So 841 times 5, which is equal to 4205. Therefore, the exterior surface area of this box is 4205 square inches.